Hi, this is Collar of Sublime Trading. This is the stocks weekend video analysis. So first on the list we have Apple Inc. Looking at the monthly time frame, we can see that price started to move down from this point and has found support around last year's low. We need to currently wait to see whether this area of support will hold or whether the price will find strength to actually break through this area of support. Going to the weekly time frame, price is currently trading around the 200 simple moving average. So the 200 simple moving average coincides with last year's low, so a strong cluster of support just below price. Going to the daily time frame now, price is currently trading below the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. As we can see from this point, we're seeing lower lows and lower highs. So if this pattern continues, then we should see a continuation of the downtrend. Overall, we need to wait and see whether the price can actually break and close below this previous low here. Next stock up is Electronic Arts. On the monthly time frame, price again here found support at last year's low. So far in January, we've seen a nice strong bullish month. If price continues to move up, then we may see price find resistance around the $100 round number. On the weekly time frame, price is currently below all the moving averages and currently finding resistance at the 200 simple moving average. So if this area can hold as resistance, then we may see a continuation of this overall downtrend. And going to the daily time frame now, price has now moved above the 50 simple moving average. If price continues to move up, then it may find resistance at the $100 round number or the 200 simple moving average. If price does find weakness again, then we want to wait and see whether price can actually break and close below this low, which will confirm a continuation of this down move. Next stock up is Facebook. On the monthly time frame, another one seen a strong bullish month with this bullish bar here after bouncing off last year's low. On the weekly time frame, price has now moved back above the 200 simple moving average. Used it as support here, but then price found the strength to actually break down below the 200 simple moving average here. But now that price is now above this area, we may see a continuation of this overall bull trend. But do remember, we have the 50 simple moving average just above price, which may act as resistance. On the daily time frame, price is currently trading above the 50 simple moving average. And as you can see, this period here, price is in this area of consolidation. If price does continue to move up, then price may find resistance at the 200 simple moving average. But we want to confirm a continuation of this downtrend by waiting for a break and close below this area of support. Next stock is Fedex. Fedex is showing a bullish January so far after bouncing off last year's low. And if we look at the weekly time frame, price is currently trading below the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. And notice how price moves down, pulls back, moves down, pulls back along the way. And at the moment, after this big move, price is currently pulling back. We may see a continuation of this downtrend, or this may be the start of a continuation of this previous bull trend. So we'll have to wait and see whether price can actually break and close below this low or move above the 200 simple moving average. On the daily time frame, price is below the 50 and 200 simple moving averages, and again we can see how price is pulling back. It may even fill this gap. If not, price may find weakness around this point and continue lower. So to confirm a continuation of this down move, just wait for a break and close below this area of support. Last stock for the day is Planet Fitness. On the monthly time frame, price is in this nice overall uptrend and currently trading above last year's high. We also have the $60 round number, not too far above price. On the weekly time frame, price is above the 50 simple moving average. We've seen a nice trend here on the weekly time frame. And on the daily time frame, price is above both the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. Prices use the 50 simple moving average as support along the way up, sometimes going a bit lower than the 50 simple moving average, but always returning back above that level. Currently, prices started to make new all-time highs. So again, we just need to wait and see whether price can actually break and close above the $60 rounds number. Then we should see a nice continuation of this overall bullish trend. Thank you for watching this weekend's video analysis for stocks. Don't forget to press subscribe so that you can catch all of our weekly updates as soon as they are available.